This is how you make a tornado in a bottle. First you have to get balls like this big, how they are. Then you're going to have a washer thing, and it has several holes in the middle. And then you put, if you want, you can put food coloring or glue or glitter, but don't put glitter glue or else it won't work. And then you have to fill it up with water. Then you have to put the washer thing on top of the bottle. And then you put the other bottle on top of the washer. Then you get duct tape and then you put it all around. Then you have to flip it over and then spin it, and then you have to, if you want, you can put it on the table. And here, this is how you do it. Let's see. Just wait for me. See? And it looks like it's raining down here and making a tornado up here. There you go, you have it.